In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel without investing any money and without showing your face, without using your voice. This will be quick tutorial step by step, how you can edit your videos, how you can make scripts, how you can find trending videos that will get a lot of views and subscribers, and this and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. So I already did some research guys, so we can see that this niche is really working. Okay, so I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel over here, posting videos about health, giving advice about vegetables and so much more. As you can see over here, avoid ginger if you have this healthy problems. Those videos guys getting a lot of views, and this channel, if we click over here on view channel state, as you can see, so as you can see over here, in the last 13 days this channel got almost 3 million views guys, and this channel uploads just 6 videos in the last 13 days and it's close to 3 million views. This channel is making a lot of money, so this niche is really working. Okay, if you want to start faceless YouTube channel like this one about a healthy niche, I'm gonna show you step by step how we can do it. So for example, as you can see, and those videos really are getting a lot of views. So let's see video, how many views those videos are getting. As you can see, 5 million views, and this one is close to also 5 million views, and those videos are still getting views, as you can see, because those are evergreen topics. So that's meaning that those videos can keep getting views for years. Okay, you upload video, this video keep getting views for years and keep making you money, and the more videos you have, the more money you will make. Okay, as you can see, what happened to your body when you eat ginger every day. This video is really super easy to make. As you can see, those videos are faceless YouTube videos. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. Okay, so this one I'm gonna make like this one. As you can see, this one, 11 facts about coffee you had no idea about. Okay, this one got 2.5 million views, and this video is still getting views. So this is meaning view per hour. Okay, this video is still getting views. I will make a video like this. So what you need to do, 11 facts about coffee you had no idea about. I just need to go to chat GPT and I will ask him to make a YouTube script about, let's take for example just five facts about coffee you had no idea about. Okay, like this, and here you go. Chat GPT will start creating your YouTube script. As you can see, fact number 1, fact number 2, and fact number 3. So what I will do next, I will turn this YouTube script into a voiceover, and then I will turn a voiceover into a video, and this will take just a few minutes. As you can see, this is your title over here. It's a really great title. As you can see, this is your introduction. So I will start with fact number 1. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this part. Okay, I will copy this part like this. What you need to do next, you need to turn this script into voiceover. What you will do, you just need to go to Google and search for this website. Search for PlayHT. Okay, so just search for PlayHT and it's for free. You can use it and you can turn your script into voiceover. Okay, so let me show you. If you go to Google, okay, let's go to Google and let's search for PlayHT like this. Scroll down. This is the link of this website. Okay, just click on this link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Put your YouTube script here. You can also click, okay, let me show you. You can click over here on voice, change voice. They have different voiceovers, as you can see: American voiceover, Australian voiceover, Canadian voiceover. Choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer. But then, like, you hear a story like that, and you're like, yeah, they have this whole universe that's...
You can see, guys, that those voiceovers are really in high quality. It's almost like a human voiceover. They are really in high quality. So if you want to use this one, click on your voiceover, scroll down, click over here on confirm, and you can use this voiceover. And you need to put your YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script. Okay, I'm gonna copy. Okay, let's copy this part over here so we can use it in our video. Okay, I don't want to make this video too much long for you guys, so what you need to do next, click over here on generate speech. Okay, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your voiceover will be recorded. And if you don't want to use AI voiceover, just use your own voiceover. Just start using your own voiceover. If you don't want to use your own voiceover but you want to use a human voiceover, go to Fiverr or Upwork and you can find a lot of people who will record your YouTube script just for like $5 or $10, and you can get a human voiceover. But you can start with this one because a lot of channels are just using those AI voiceovers and they are monetized and making money on YouTube. Okay, but it's better to use a human voiceover. So let's check. Okay, so what you need to do next, guys, your script will be recorded. Just click over here on this icon over here and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So now we need to turn this voiceover into YouTube video. What you need to do is you just need to go to Google and search for Canva. We will just use Canva. It's easy and simple. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, you should see over here video. Okay, just click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do next, click on upload, and you need to click on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover. Okay, so I'm gonna upload my voiceover. So let me see. Okay, so let me find my voiceover here. Okay, so let's check. This is my voiceover.
So, like, did you know that coffee is not...
Yes, it's about coffee. The 5 facts about coffee you have no idea about. And your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page, as you can see. Click on add page, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Go to the first page, click between those two pages over here, click on add transition. Choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging and professional. They have different transition. As you can see, I'm gonna choose just this one. I like this one, simple and normal. I will make it to 0.3. Click over here on apply between add page, and here you go. What you need to do next, click over here on elements. Click on the search for coffee. Search for coffee, click on videos, and here you go. So you will find a lot of videos about coffee. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. Just click on the video that you want to use. So I want to use this one in the first. Click on your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point, set video as background like this. Then click over here in the end of the video, keep clicking and swipe left like this to make it short. Okay, because we need to make it short, and click on the next page, add different videos. Okay, I'm gonna add this one. You can also keep clicking on the video. So let me show you this that you can use. This will be fast. Keep clicking on the video like this, and put your video in the next page like this. Okay, as you can see, and click over here again, make it short, click on the next page, scroll down and add different videos. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna add this one, add different videos and make them short. Okay, so you can make your video more engaging and professional. So as beginner you can start with this. You don't need to invest any money in freelancer. If you go to Fiverr and you search for voiceover, script writer and video editor, it will cost you a lot of money as a beginner. But if you use this method that I'm showing you, you can start with $0. Even you can start with just like $5 or something like this. Add the next video, go to the next page, scroll down, and you should find a lot of videos here about coffee. Okay, add this one and you will see that we will make an amazing video, okay, using just Canva and ChatGPT. So let's scroll down. I'm gonna add this one here, make it short, click on the next page, scroll down, let's find good videos, and I will add this one over here. And now let's check this video, guys, and let me know your opinion. It's really easy and simple to make like those videos. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so let's check.
So, like, did you know that coffee is not just a beverage, but it actually comes from a fruit? Coffee beans are the seeds of the coffee plant's cherry-like fruit. The fruit is often called a coffee cherry, and it contains 2 seeds, which we know as coffee beans. It's amazing how a simple cup of coffee connects us to the rich and diverse world of botanics.
And as you can see, guys, I just made faceless YouTube video about 5 facts about coffee that you had no idea about, like this one over here. It's not like this one exactly, but you can start like as beginner. I can start like this one. Okay, this one should has some editing, but as beginner, like I said, you just need to start. So you have this idea, you just need to start, and this channel is working, guys. This niche is working, so you already see that this is an example. Okay, it's an example of faceless YouTube channel about healthy niche, and it's getting million of views. Those videos getting million of views, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is it's not my channel, and as you can see, those videos getting million of views, and you can make videos like this using just Canva. Okay, after you finish, click over here on share and click on download. This video will be download to your laptop, then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel. You just need to start uploading videos, stay consistent, and you will keep improving. Okay, so the more videos you will keep making, you will get some skills in editing, and you can keep improving your videos. And if you want to make thumbnail, go back to Canva, search over here on YouTube, just search for YouTube thumbnail, and you can find a lot of thumbnails here that you can make. Okay, I clicked on vlog YouTube thumbnail, but that's fine. You can just search for YouTube thumbnail templates. Okay, and you should find a lot of thumbnails here, as you can see. Click on the thumbnail that you want to use, make few edits. It's easy to edit thumbnail. If you guys want me to make a video how you can make thumbnail on Canva, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay, as you can see, you have a lot of thumbnails here that you can start with. So that's it for today's video, guys. If this video is helpful for you, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, like this video, and see you in my next video.